Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take you to a restaurant called SABRINA, TRADIZIONI ITALIANE, selling pizzas, drinks, coffees, and pastries. So stay tuned that way so you can see the rest of this video. Dave and Rose Travels, make sure you subscribe and maybe give this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. After arriving in Playa del Carmen, it had been raining. The night prior, we had seen a long line at this pizza place that is diagonal from the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen. We were hungry and we decided, let's go try some of that pizza at SABRINA. SABRINA sells cocktails, drinks, coffees, pastries, cakes, and pizza. Calzones and focaccia bread, different types of deals. It was definitely good. If you haven't seen our last video where we do a complete room tour of the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen, then make sure you watch that video. It's a must-see. The room is beautiful. SABRINA, Tradizioni Italiane. SABRINA is located diagonal from the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen, Avenue Constituyentes entre Avenidas 10 y 15 Gonzalo Guerrero. First of all, let me tell you that this restaurant was tasty. We were so hungry and it was so tasty that I didn't get any footage of the pizza and the salad that we had prior to these wonderful pastries that were freshly made that we had eaten as well. Regardless of any clips from the pizza or the salad that we ate, I wanted to make this video because this is definitely a worthy place to go eat. And I promise that it was the jet lag that caused that, because it was good and I will have way better footage for the upcoming restaurant videos I will do.
Later.
Make sure you're subscribed so that you can come along with us on our next video where we go hang out on the beach at Playa del Carmen. And then after our beach walk, we take you to a cerveceria, Chela de Playa, an independent brewery not far from the beach. And there's a cenote waterfall on the sidewalk. Remember, subscribing is the only way to see future content, and we have all kinds of fun Playa del Carmen content coming your way. Some fun grocery store walkthroughs, Fifth Avenue walkthrough. Stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed.